They say that the Biafra resistance fighter don't drop another one. No, They say that all the whole people will put hand for Nnamdi Kanu kidnap for inside Kenya. He said those people are there and everything where they get for inside Biafra land, they will never know peace. So he said they go after them one by one. Now I can say, wow, this one don't read though. Let's go and find out how this thing take happen. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If it's not the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. See, they bring updates back to back as it they hot. They say that Biafra Liberation Army and resistance fighter don't come outside though. Conto say that all the whole people will put hand for Nnamdi Kanu kidnap. He say very soon they go pay them a holy visit for their homes. Let's play the video, may you watch it before we come back and continue. Please watch this video from beginning to end before you go tell me say you know here when they talk about
way of life. There is no short way of life. All of them that betray Nnamdi Kanu can never see peace. All of them will go down. Where is criminal, the most trusted criminal, barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor? I remember in one of his speech, he said, "I be the most trusted." Anyway, among the 12, there is always a Judah. Because everything that happened in this very struggle does not take the children of light unaware. Nothing take us in surprise. And that is why we tell you that every step you make, we are 1,000 steps ahead of you. And when I was telling somebody, I said, Nnamdi Kanu knew that he's coming to Kenya. Is going to lead to his arrest and be returned back to Nigeria. He knew very well. His arrest from Kenya or in kidnap from Kenya was not a surprise to him. He knew quite well what is going to happen to him. And that is why he make a very revolutionary prayer that nobody seems to understand. He said, Father, the hours has come. That very time we will be waiting for, he has come. And into your hand, your children we commit our spirit. Those who have died before and those who are still going to die, we commit our spirit into your hands. But one thing we know is that at the end, Biafra will come. That was this last, go and Google his last speech or broadcast before he embarked on the journey to Kenya. He knew all of you. But he also knew that if on his own decided to fish una out, people would think otherwise. Those who doesn't understand the things of the spirit, the carnal people, would think otherwise. And that is why he allowed God to do his will. And you have been playing that game for 3 years. And at the end, where did he land you to? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing. There is nothing in this world that you will do that will be hidden. As long as there is air blowing, as long as there is air in that place, it must come to light. People will know what you did. Today, as God not disgrace you, Where is Ima powerful? You people are denying Ima powerful. All of you were warned. Oh. You send Ima powerful to go and kidnap Biafran, true Biafrans in Kanu, Ghana. Now, as police don't carry him now, they deny him. All of you will face the same fate of the enemy of Biafra. Hope today. Hope. Hope. I hope that I've given you the news of a 14 years boy that went with his 4 years old boy on bike going to meet his mother, that your terrorists catch the boy and set them on fire. 4 years old boy and 14 years old boy. I hope that I have given you the news. Your terrorists you brought to our land, and you think their blood will not be revenged. Their blood will be revenged. And I'm here this afternoon to tell you that evil does not last long. Darkness can never last long. Yes. Darkness doesn't last long. And all of you that have stained your hand in evil, hear me and hear me well. That the wind of righteousness is going to blow all of you out. It have started. When we tell you that Biafra have come to stay, you thought it was a joke. Many of you organize seminar. Which one of them say that Biafra is dead and buried? If you plant something on the ground, what happened to it? You know, I do not dispute that Biafra are dead and you are buried it. But I'm asking you a simple question. When you plant something on the ground, what happened to that thing you planted? That is exactly what Biafra is. You have killed us. You have buried us. It's left for us to germinate and rise again. And that is exactly what we are doing. It doesn't matter how often you try. I've told you, we have come to end Nigeria. The only country that believes in God and God does not believe in them. Is a stupid person that keep doing business. He doesn't get game. He keep losing and he keep doing the business. Only a foolish person. Only a foolish person will keep doing business. And inside that business, he does not have game. And he keep maintaining doing that same business. Only a fool. Only a fool will marry a wife. 20 years, 30 years, no fruit of the womb. And he still believe that maybe in the next 70 years, before 70 years, that woman will put to bed. Only a fool. Only a fool. Only a fool. Will keep doing one thing, one particular thing in the same way, and he's still having bad result, and he's still repeating it the same way you did. You didn't get good result, and you are still doing it. Only a fool. And this is why I say all Nigerians are foolish. When you come to a time of election, they will tell you, your PVC, your PVC, oh, your PVC, your PVC, your PVC. As if your vote have ever counted. During Jonathan, Buhari come up and say, if you want to have a stable light, if you want to have a good road, better economy, vote Buhari. And all of you foolishly and idiotically were gallivanting everywhere. Your PVC, it's time, your power, your voice, your vote. At the end, Buhari enter. And you people begin to wish, oh, I wish we leave Jonathan. Oh, Jonathan was better than Buhari. Oh, eh, eh, eh. Another election. Your PVC, your PVC, your PVC. Oh, oh, if you no vote, you are the cause of our problem. And you are the cause of our predicament. Oh, God will judge you. Every pastor preach to member to go and find PVC. Say, some churches even lay curse on their member if they did not get PVC. And if they did not go to vote. Why? Because Biafra say Biafra will not vote. Because there is no use for vote. We have been voting for many years. No good result. So what is the extent of voting? Only a fool remain in particular business that does not yield a game. And he keep doing the same business. Only a fool. And I've seen it in Nigerians. Nigerians are intellectual fool. They are full of intellectual fools. Fools, very foolish. They have chopping cow meat, say their brain are now like animal, cow animal, then think like cow. No wonder, even snake they swallow money, nobody they talk. Oh my goodness me. And now they shout, PVC, Obi, PVC, Obi. Where are them that have been shouting? Obi Wane, where is Obi? Tunumbu enter. And you people, you know, it's not, the most annoying thing is that it's not even up to 1 year. And you are crying hunger. And you think anything will save you. Nothing will save you. Hungry will kill you. As you are starting making noise, the reason why they never kill you yet is because Biafran decided not to join you. Assuming now Biafra joined the protest, they will start killing you. Idiot. I'm not God. If I were God, I could have still just say, let Biafra delay for 4 years, more 4 years, so that you people will feel what we call better hunger. Yes. You never see something. Fools. Where are your PVC? Go and do PVC now to come out time for office. Idiot. You don't know what is going on. When we, the wise, tell you something, you don't know. What we saw in a million times, you can never see it. Nigeria is a company of Britain. Then choose who be director in that company. And they decided that Buhari Tinubu will manage the company for them. And you are shouting. What are you shouting for, idiot? We that knew that Nigeria is not a nation, it's not a country. It is a company. We say we don't want to be part. We need a nation where the life of people will be valuable and they will enjoy the living. You say you think we are stupid. You never see something. By the time you will enter Easter in 2 months from now, I think you will cry and lose your voice. Now you are starting, you just start the crying. You never lost your voice. I say by the time Easter, in 2 months from now, you will cry and lose your voice. So that when you shout, nobody will even notice you're shouting. You know, they have trained you to suffer and smiling. So why are you shouting? That is how them blame your brain to. Them blame your brain to the level of you leave everything to God.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't listen and hear waiting in talk for this video, please do not forget to leave your own opinion for inside comment section, because that's what they do. I'm now get some updates where we go drop. We'll say may you contribute. May all of us talk about them for inside comment section. What do you think about waiting talk for this video? If you support waiting talk, I beg may you write support for inside comment section and share the video so that people will know waiting they go on as well. Thank you so much for watching. We'll quickly see you for the next update as they hot.